This video is late. 100 Drawers Shopee Calculator is updated to version 1.12. This is another big update that comes with several significant changes. First, I introduced the adjustment report. There is a new adjustment tab and a group of adjustment columns in the settings page. This adjustment report takes the report downloaded from My Balance in the Seller Center. The adjustment report contains the transactions for claimed overcharge shipping fee, commission earned from seller affiliate program, Shopee adjustment for any fees errors, and more. These transactions are then imported into the sales report module. In the sales report module, there is a new group of helper columns for calculating adjustment. Users can choose whether to include commission earned from the seller affiliate program, choose the behavior of claim overcharge shipping fee, sorted by order, sorted by date, or do not include at all. If you choose to sort by order ID, the amount here will become 0, and the claim amount will be added to the order income side. Choose sort by date, it will be added to the income according to the reimbursement date.
In the shipping fee tab, the order ID and the amount for overcharge shipping fee is now automatically extracted from the adjustment report.
Next is the Rework of Compare Fees module. I removed the scenario 1 from the previous version, where it shows your current seller status and programs. It is redundant since we already have the fees on the main list, so I removed it. Users still can compare fees amount from 2 sets of programs. A quick refresh before I explain the new feature in this tab. This portion is your current program set that you selected in the settings page. Figures in column C to L are all extracted from the income report, and order income is calculated. Programs 1 and 2 is where you can select different program sets to compare the fee difference if you are planning to change or opt out any programs you have joined. Use the drop-down list to choose the program set, or simply input the fee percentage. Early this year, commission fee is determined by product category, so input commission fee percentage will not change the calculations. The commission fee for orders will be identical even if the program sets are different. The new features added to this module are on the left-hand side. First, user can filter orders according to date. If the reports you downloaded have a mixed fee rate for all the orders, the calculations will be inaccurate. So you can use these cells to filter for orders according to the program participation date. Simply enter a date, the list below will filter automatically. If you want to quickly choose a date range, use this drop-down list to pick a date range, or input a specific day count. These 2 cells grey out indicate they are no longer in effect. Now the most important part of this video, the summary table for all the programs. These rows represent free shipping program, coin cashback, and rebate now program. By default, if these cells are false or deleted empty, the list below will list all the order IDs. You can use the drop-down list to choose which program to filter the order IDs. Choosing to list orders under the free shipping program means all of these orders are using the free shipping voucher. So does for coins cashback and rebate now. But for rebate now, as of the release of this video, the voucher code for rebate now is still uncertain whether it is with code BAU. If I have any confirmation on this matter, I'll update the template and inform on my social media. The next column is the order count for each program, with total order count on top, and also their percentage of order count. The fee column is the service fee imposed onto these orders using those voucher codes. The rebate column is the rebates from Shopee for each program, which means under free shipping program, it is the shipping fee rebate from Shopee. Under coin cashback is the Shopee coin offset, but for the rebate now program, it is currently set to the product discount rebate from Shopee, which is also uncertain similar to its voucher code. I'll update on this matter once I have confirmation. I am running out of space here. If not, I will add more voucher code to the party, such as shop follow price and seller voucher code into the summary table, maybe in future updates. Here are the total fees collected by Shopee. My initial intention of this module is to evaluate the programs you have joined, determine their effectiveness to bring benefits to your shops. The factors to evaluate programs are different from sellers to sellers or shops to shops. This module provides you with clear statistics, so you can compare the fees collected by Shopee and the rebates of these programs, helping you to make more concrete decisions. Besides some other minor changes in this update, I have also added a progress bar in the advanced version to let you know the progress of importing reports. So you will know it isn't not responding when importing a large quantity of reports. If you want to get this template for free or learn more about the advanced version, watch the video at the top right corner. Leave a comment or better, join my Discord server if you have any suggestions, any requests or any questions in using the template. Subscribe to my channel, share the template to your Shopee seller friends. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the comment section.